Okay, well today we're going to do a G. James door. These doors are quite old. This one here has got quite a few problems. Track down the bottom's worn out, the rollers are worn out in it. It's not sliding properly, it's very difficult to move. So today we're going to take it out, machine the track, put down a stainless steel capping, put in a new set of rollers, and then we'll get this door running beautifully. Now we've just fixed a G. James door. It's running beautifully. I'll show you how it's going. Nice and smoothly, like so. Big improvement. Locking properly. What we did to this door was we machined the track down the bottom. You can see the silver track down here. We machined that, and then we put a stainless steel capping over the top of it. Then we put in a set of double rollers and new brackets in the bottom of the door, so it's all held together nice and tightly. Put it all back together, adjust it so the door is, this edge is parallel with this edge, and everything runs beautifully. That's it. Now we'll ask our customer what he thinks of his door. If you wouldn't mind, Bob.
Yeah.
So how do you find the door?
Oh, it's great because you really had to fight with the damn thing to close it before, and it's I can do that with one finger now, and it's quieter. It's just a great improvement.
And locking all right? Do you want to just
Yep.
run it over there?
And it's got a lock down the bottom as well, so it's safe and sound and easier to work with. And
Okay, so when your wife gets back, she should be pretty happy with it.
Yep. No, there's no doubt about that. It'll definitely has improved the place. We've just done the rest of it, so this really puts the icing on the cake.
Right, well thank you very much for giving us a comment.
That's right.
And if you have any trouble with the door, give us a call, because we do warrant our work.
That's good.
But I don't think you'll be needing to with this one.
No, it looks great. It works well. That's good.